Hey there! In today's video, we'll delve into an exclusive opportunity for you in the world of crypto trading. We're all about maximizing gains, and today we introduce you to Bitget, a leading platform for trading digital assets. Bitget has quickly emerged as a favorite among crypto enthusiasts, offering unmatched features like spot trading, futures trading, and a unique copy trading feature that can help you emulate successful traders. It's like having a mentor in the fast-paced crypto market. Now, let's talk about something exciting you can take advantage of. When you sign up with the Bitget invitation code, not only do you get access to these amazing trading tools, but you can also unlock bonuses and benefits. Sign up. Bonus. Use the Bitget invitation code for H6K and receive a welcome bonus. That's right, free crypto just for starting your journey. Trading fee, discounts. Enjoy reduced fees when you trade, saving you money as you grow your portfolio. Promotional events, exclusive access to contests with the chance to win additional crypto assets. We encourage you to join the smart traders who are already using 4H6K to enhance their experience on Bitget. Here is how you can profit from this exclusive invitation code. Visit the Bitget website or download the app. Sign up for an account, and don't forget to enter the referral code 4H6K during registration to claim your benefits. Start trading with confidence with reduced fees and bonuses to give your portfolio a boost. Expanding your crypto knowledge and trading experience has never been easier or more rewarding. By opting for the Bitget invitation code 4H6K, you're not only getting a head start in trading, but also joining a community that supports and fosters growth. So, what are you waiting for? Secure your spot now by using the code 4H6K. Trust us, your gains are waiting. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video with more tips and tricks for mastering the crypto market. Until then, trade smart and trade well. Reviewer note. Please note that while using promotional codes can provide benefits, it's important to always do your own research, understand the terms and conditions of any platform, and be aware of regulatory compliance when dealing with financial services. Remember to act responsibly and within the law.